Most students don't have a motivation problem, they have a sleep problem. Every night, you say, tomorrow, I'll wake up early. But morning comes, you hit snooze. Pick up your phone, and suddenly, the whole day feels wasted. No focus, no energy, no motivation. And slowly, you start feeling behind in life. But listen carefully, waking up early is not about being perfect. It's about taking control. Because the morning changes everything. No noise, no pressure, no distractions. Just you and a fresh brain. Science actually proves this. Your brain has the highest focus and willpower in the first few hours after waking up. That's why top students love mornings. Not because they are naturally disciplined, but because mornings make hard things easier. Meanwhile, most students destroy their mornings before the day even starts. Sleeping at 2 a.m., scrolling endlessly, watching random videos, then waking up tired and blaming themselves. I know that feeling. You want to improve, but your routine keeps pulling you backward. So don't try to suddenly wake up at 5 a.m. That almost never works. Start small. Sleep just 20 minutes earlier tonight. Put your phone far from your bed, and when the alarm rings, stand up immediately. Don't negotiate. Don't think. Just move, because every extra minute in bed makes your mind weaker. Now do 3 simple things. Drink water. Open the curtains. Wash your face. That's it. Your brain starts waking up naturally. And here's the most important habit. Do not touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. That single habit can completely change your focus. Instead, study, stretch, walk, journal, exercise. Even 10 minutes is enough. Because when you win the morning, you stop feeling guilty all day. You feel focused, calm, ahead of everyone else. And slowly, your confidence comes back. Remember this. Every successful student you admire once struggled with laziness too. The difference is, they stop negotiating with their future. So tomorrow morning, when the alarm rings, don't ask, do I feel like waking up? Ask yourself, who do I want to become? If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this.